Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states that when this verse, translation, to Allah belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth. And if you disclose whatever is in your heart or keep in hidden, Allah will call you to account for it. Then He will forgive whomsoever He pleases and punish whomsoever He pleases. And Allah is potent over everything. Surah Al-Baqarah verse 284 was revealed. The companions radiyallahu anhum got perplexed and entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, sat there with their knees folded and submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we were burdened with such acts as were within our capacity like prayer, fasting, jihad and alms. But now this verse has been revealed to you carrying the command beyond our capacity. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, do you want to say what the ummahs prior to you said? We heard Allah's command and disobeyed. You should rather say, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we heard your command and obeyed it. O Lord, pardon us, and to you is our return. Hearing it, the companions starting saying, we heard and obeyed. O Lord, pardon us, and to you is our return. When the companions radiyallahu anhum had said it, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed this verse. Translation: the apostle and the believers believed in that which was sent down to him from his Lord, and all believed in Allah, His all angels, His all books, and His all apostles. And they said, we do not differentiate in the matter of having faith in any of His apostles, and submitted, we heard and obeyed. O Lord, forgive us, and to you is our return. Surah Al-Baqarah verse 285. When the companions radiyallahu anhum obeyed Allah's commands, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, revoking the command of the previous verse, revealed this verse. Translation: Allah places not burden on any soul, but to the extent of his strength. The good deeds of everyone will benefit him, and evil deeds will harm him. O our Lord, catch not us for our forgetfulness or mistake. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, well, O our Lord, do not burden us with those commands with which the former people were burdened. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, well, O our Lord, do not burden us with the commands beyond our capacity. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, well, forgive us, pardon us, and have mercy on us. You are our master. Help us against the infidels. Surah Al-Baqarah verse 286. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, well. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 325.